In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark sessions in TradingView. Session marking helps you quickly see when major markets like Tokyo, London, and New York are active, so you can spot patterns, momentum shifts, and key levels with more confidence. Start by logging into your TradingView account and opening the chart you want to analyze. This can be any symbol or time frame you're working with. Once your chart is open, look toward the top left of the screen and find the Indicators button. It may appear as Indicators and Strategies. Click it to open the search panel. In the search field, type Sessions. You'll see a list of results, including popular community scripts. Many traders like options such as GRFX or Lux Algo for their clarity and customization, but you can select any sessions indicator that suits your style. Hover over the one you want, then click it to add it to your chart. You can always remove it later or try another if it doesn't display the way you expect. After adding the indicator, you may not notice dramatic changes right away, especially if the market is closed or you're looking at a quiet part of the chart. When activity is visible, you'll typically see colored bands that represent different sessions, commonly Tokyo, London, and New York. Some indicators also show session breaks as vertical lines, making it easy to see where one market hands off to the next. Others highlight important price levels within each session, such as the open, close, high, and low. These markers are great for strategy analysis, like identifying where a session high was swept or how price reacts to the London Open. If the display looks too faint or cluttered, open the indicator settings to adjust colors, opacity, session times, and which sessions you want to see. Align the session times with your preferred time zone to avoid confusion. If you don't see the colored regions at all, try zooming out or scrolling back to recent days with active trading to confirm the overlay is working. You can also switch time frames to see how the indicator behaves on intraday versus higher time frames. That's all you need to mark sessions in TradingView. Open your chart, search for sessions and indicators, add a session script, and read the colored bands, breaks, and key levels to support your analysis. With this setup, you'll have a clearer view of when liquidity often enters the market and how price behaves across global trading hours.